All right, so I just cloned the project. Now let's just get in. So let's install all the dependencies. And let's try to check whether we can run this small microservice. Stuck. GMI. Okay, that's better. Start. No. npm run dev. I do. Okay. That's what's happening now. Okay. Do we have something to start with? App. The port that is coming from the environment variable. Let's put a small console.log here to know which port we are running to. No, you don't like the console.log? Really? Or maybe it's there, but there is no port yet. Oh yeah, port 3000. Okay, 3000. So if I do TP 3000, okay, I have my first route. All right, let's explore more. Body parser, setup Swagger. Oh, there is a Swagger available. Maybe we should try to look at this. It will be a lot more helpful for us. Oops. Host. Slash API docs. API dash doc. A nice Swagger, but no spec. Great. So we can't use that thing. APIs root ts root. So we have one root v1 ping. Okay, so here slash ping get slash ping why not slash ping slash ping. Let's go back to app right here. Install root right here. Oops. Oh. Ooh. Vim. You're live. Come on. Vim crashed. How is that possible? Let's try again. That was in install roots. Okay. Oof. What is happening with that file? It keeps crashing. Oh my god. Anyway, so what I need to know is like root version, API root version, and after we have ping roots. Ping roots that becoming our root, which is the slash ping. So I need to understand what are these two values, API root and root version. Let's kill it again. API root is something that is passing here, which is environment variable. Since I don't know from where we are getting this environment variable, example express. So here I do example express slash ping, right? Still no. Still no. Okay. Oh, and the second value v1. Yes, now I remember we need to pass two values into that thing. Yeah. We have, yeah, root version. So here I need to put a v1. That's such a weird way to... API root, which is express example, right? Okay, and then root version, which is the second parameter, which is v1. Is it a small v or a big V? No, yeah, that's on the small v. Okay. And after, at the end, I think it's ping, right? Root v1 ping. Right here. Root v1 ping, yes, yeah, slash ping. I'm getting something. All right, so now I know I have only one root, and this root is already available. Let's put a unit test on that. So let's install RestQA. Not this one, actually. Oh, we have the nice smiley from Lita. So you're not playing Call of Duty? Okay, so we get something here. Now what I'm gonna do is to set up RestQA into it, package JSON. Test SQA run. Happy to do a RestQA run report. And then from there, I can directly run PM test, which didn't work because of this. So what's the port? 3000. Oh, what should I use? I think npm start, right? Yeah. Okay, so it didn't generate any scenarios because the main root returns 404. So in that case, one thing I'm gonna do is before running the test, I will run the build to ensure the npm start's gonna work. Right. Okay. So now if I do another npm test, I'm running the build and then I'm running the test, right? That sounds good. So one thing I'm gonna do, because I'm a bit lazy to generate the report, is to do the sandbox right there. So the sandbox is the feature that helps to generate test scenarios actually. So let's get this. Oh no, actually I can just change the port by 888. Okay, and now I have my nice test scenario 304 because of the cache. All right. Can it be 3? Can't be 304. That's better. So now I have my scenario that has been generated. Let me peep. Let me local get ping that feature. Okay, do I really need headers? Love these headers. I do not care about it. Yeah. So get, I should response 200 and so on. Perfect. The scenario on point. Let's run again. Ooh, oh, I forgot the most important part. Feature, get, I even don't remember. Okay, that's you. Okay, scenario, ping, return pong when ping is called. Okay. Great, passing. So let's just run a happy to get the full report about it. Okay, that's great. So apparently Isha put 34 commits. That's great. Then we can look at the detail of our test scenario. I'll go in here. Can also start looking at the test coverage wasn't generated. Why that? Let's try to run again. Look at the test coverage. Is it possible? Still no test coverage, so that's weird. So what about the specification? Oh wait, I have no specification. That's weird. That's super weird. Specification, nothing. Curious. Okay. The collection, the Postman collection. Let's import it in Postman to see. Postman. Import. Fine. Okay, so I have my microservice folder in the nice value. So what do I have as host? Local host 3000. So I will need then to run my service in order to be able to send. Oh, I have to time HTTP. That's not good. Okay, sounds great. So the Postman collection works. So the two things that are not working are for some reason, the API specification that are not generated. Weird. And the test coverage also issue. Oh, I know why the test coverage is not generated. Actually, we put it here. We need to put these kind of things into the code. So basically, it's pretty hard to get the test coverage if you don't gracefully kill the server. Server equal, okay. Let's try again. Still no, that's unfortunate. I'm confused about this for sure. Super confused about that. Yeah, it does. I want to get the right process exit 0. That's the same. The process still not want to show the test report. So we might have an issue there. For some reason, test coverage does not want to work on that project. So that might be the best way, the best moment to write an issue here. So where is my fork? Can't write issues. Okay. Let's go on the RestQA project then. Right here. And let's put another comment on that. After checking the trying to test a microservice, the written in TS using Express, the test coverage is not being alright, running command and VMware unhappy. Ref project. Let me push my fork though. Okay. RestQA test slash collections test slash mocks. I think I do not need to update anything in the code. So git minus on app. Add unit tests using RestQA. Let's put a small emoji right now. All right. Wait. What's the README is talking about? This microservice is in ensure Git locally, blah blah blah, start the app, building Docker image, flexible API. Ah, tu vois déjà ici. Déjà ici, il y a une petite erreur, mon ami. Ah, I just switched to French. Sorry. Okay, not how to reload with node-mon, blah blah blah. API doc. That's weird. Like, I couldn't make it work. Bloody swagger. That's so weird. Node flexible API, local setup. run the local test using the command npm test, run the happiness report, upon the test driven and happy right there. Okay, then let me recommit that git add. Okay, unit test RestQA. Oh, yeah. I'm not on my phone. Okay. Let me send him a small pull request. Hi there. I came across your project and I thought I could contribute to it by adding a way to simply write unit tests. So basically, just need to run command npm test to have the immediate test result. However, if you want the full report of the test, including additional information such as PI spec, Postman collection, performance test, etc. You can command npm run happy. Here an example of the report. Okay, an example of the report. I used the tool RestQA. Feel free to take a look at it and give us some feedback. Maybe not put that thing. However, for some reason, the code coverage doesn't sound working on your project. I already put a comment on the RestQA for that. On the RestQA issue for the team to look at it. See ya. Okay. I wanted to do is to check with the team. Bodyguard. That's the name. Create 6 files change. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. All right, so that was the first episode of the open source bodyguards. Now we already created a nice merge request, a pull request into this project, this random project. So next week I'll pick up another random project online and try to create unit tests for the microservice there. Thank you. See ya.